In this video, we're going to be translating statements into numerical expressions. In number 1, it wants us to write a numerical expression for each phrase and simplify. In A, it asks us the product of 2 and 3 added to 5. So we have 2 times 3 is the product of 2 and 3, and then we're going to add 5. And now we have 2 times 3 is 6, plus 5 is equal to 11. In B, we have the sum of 2 and 3 multiplied by 5. So now we have 2 plus 3 times 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, times 5 is equal to 25. In C, we have the sum of 2 and the product of 3 and 5. So we have 2 plus, the product of 3 and 5 is 3 times 5, and this is equal to 2 plus 3 times 5 is 15, and 2 plus 15 is equal to 17. In D, we want 5 more than 3. So we're going to start with the number 3, and then we want 5 more than that. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. In E, we want 5 less than 3. So again, we're going to start with 3, and we want to be 5 less than that, so minus 5. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. In F, we want 3 less than 5. So we want to start with 5, and we want 3 less than that, so minus 3. And 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. In 2, we want to write a numerical expression for each phrase and simplify. So the first thing says subtract 1 from 3. So we have 3 minus 1, and now they want us to square it. So we have 3 minus 1 squared, and they want us to multiply it by 4, and then subtract 36. So now the first thing that we want to do is take care of inside the parentheses. So we have 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have 2 squared times 4 minus 36. 2 squared is equal to 4. So we're going to have 4 times 4 minus 36. And now we want to take care of the multiplication. So 4 times 4 is equal to 16 minus 36 is equal to negative 20. In B, it says twice the difference of 5 and negative 8. So twice means we're going to multiply it by 2. So we have 2, and then times. Now it wants the difference of 5 and negative 8. So we're going to have 5 minus a negative 8. And this is equal to 2 times. Now we have 5 minus a negative 8, so 5 plus 8, and that's equal to 13. And 2 times 13 is equal to 26. C says cube 4, subtract this from 70, and then square, and then divide by 18. So we have cube of 4 subtracted from 70. So we're going to start with 70 minus 4 cubed, and then they want us to square this, and then we want to divide by 18. So the first thing that we want to take care of is the exponent inside the parentheses. So this is going to be equal to 70 minus 4 cubed is equal to 64, and that's all squared, divided by 18. And then 70 minus 64 is 6, so we have 6 squared divided by 18. And now we're going to take care of our exponent, so this is equal to 6 squared is equal to 36 divided by 18, and 36 divided by 18 is equal to 2. In D, we have multiply 2 by 5, add 3, multiply this by negative 3, and then add 9. So the first step is to multiply 2 and 5. So we have 2 times 5, And then they want us to add 3 to this, so plus 3. And now they want all of this multiplied by negative 3. So we're going to put it in parentheses, and we're going to multiply it by negative 3. And then we want to add 9 to the entire thing. So the first step is to do the multiplication inside the parentheses. So we'll have negative 3. 2 times 5 is 10. Then plus 3 plus 9. And now we want to take care of the addition inside the parentheses. So we have negative 3 times 10 plus 3 is 13 plus 9. And now we're going to take care of our multiplication. Negative 3 times 13 is negative 39 plus 9. And negative 39 plus 9 is equal to negative 30. And that's our video on translating statements into numerical expressions.